They're going cat anyways.
Long.
Too long. Watch out, both long!
Oh yeah, I killed him with 100%.
How many bullets does your USB have?
You want to defuse it?